In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional form ready to capture leads and route them exactly where you want inside your account. Start by heading to the left sidebar and opening leads. Then choose Web Forms. This is where all of your forms live because they're a direct path for turning visitors into leads. If it's your first time here, you'll see a green Try Web Forms button. Click that to open the form builder and enable the feature. Once you're in, select Create New Form to start from scratch. Before you add questions, choose the type of form you want. You can pick an embedded form or a shareable form. An embedded form gives you a small code snippet you can place on a web page so the form appears right inside your site. A shareable form gives you a direct link you can post in emails, social media, or anywhere you don't control the website. If you have a website where you can edit the page, embedded is great for a seamless experience. If you need something quick you can send or post, go with shareable. Now add your fields. The essentials are name, email, and phone. Keep your form short to improve completion rates. If a field is critical for follow-up, make it required. Otherwise, keep it optional to reduce friction. Use clear labels and placeholder text to guide people on what to enter, and keep formatting simple so mobile visitors can complete it without hassle. Next, customize the look and feel. Edit the title so it clearly states what the form is for, add a short description that explains the value of submitting, and update the button text with a strong call to action like request a call or get a quote. Keep language friendly and specific, and avoid asking for any sensitive information you don't actually need. Decide where submissions should go. You can send them to the leads inbox if you want to qualify and convert later, or directly to contacts if your process is straightforward and you're ready to engage immediately. Choose the option that best matches your team's workflow. When you're happy with everything, click Save. This locks in your settings and creates the form record in your account. Finally, share your form. Copy the link to share it anywhere online, or grab the embed code and paste it into your website's HTML or your site builder's code block. Place it where visitors naturally look for contact or inquiry options. That's it. You've created a Pipedrive form from start to finish. Thanks for watching.